Hi, welcome to Paddleboard Places.
Hey, today we're in Oceanside, California at the harbor, and you can hear some of our seals barking in the background. It's a fun place. Sea lions, seals, sea lions, yeah. But there's something nostalgic about this place, isn't there, honey?
It's the first place we ever went paddleboarding.
Yeah, so come with us. We're going to have a good time.
Oceanside is about 30 miles north of San Diego, and it's right off I-5.
There are some parking lots available. Some of them are permit only, but like this one here just says 4-hour parking. So there are some available for the public. Just watch your signs. We drove along North Harbor Drive and spotted many places you can park. There's one specific spot that's a launching pad for the kayaks and paddleboarders. There's the launching dock. Welcomes kayakers and paddleboarders.
There's a public launch side and a no public launch side. Make sure you're on the public launch side, and there's this cool little launching dock for you to put your paddleboard in, get all ready to go, and then head out.
Some fish down there. You see those orange Garibaldi's? I think they're called. Garibaldi. One thing nice about being in a harbor is it can be a little breezy out, but you always have your little inlets of the boats, little channels that the wind doesn't really blow. So it's always nice and smooth.
One thing we like to do when we're in here is kind of dream about a boat we might like, and we pick our favorite boat in each slip. I think this one's mine. Jane Marie, if you're listening, give us a ride. Okay, they tell you to be about 50 yards from a sea lion, and best way to judge your paddleboard if it's 10 to 12 feet is probably 3 yards, so you got about 9 paddleboards between you and the sea lion. That's yours right there. That's one Allison wants.
Okay, so on the west side of the harbor is the ocean, right? So there's a parking lot up here for the beach, and you can also park there and just bring your paddle or kayak down here to launch right here.
An eye on this seal, making sure that he doesn't want to come bump me. All the birds just hanging out. Oh, there's some more fish. It's eating time. And there's a sea lion. I am not 50 yards away, so I'm going to move. Kind of fun sometimes the seals will get up on the back of the boat. Seen that a few times. This one's having a good time, waiting for a ride. Okay, honey, I think I found my boat. It's right there. What do you think? That'd be a good ride, right? We're on the south end of the harbor, and if you need a paddleboard, this place is really good. We've rented here before. They're great boards, and the price is reasonable. And just go right here by the dock. There's parking along the way up the hill, right through there. And then you just walk through here. There's some shops. You can have lunch and get your paddleboard rental right there.
So you can also launch right here where my oar is. There is a little cute shops over there, and you could unload and load right there. It said on one of the signs. There's parking right there.
After going through all the boat areas and the docks, you'll see this hotel and then this opening, and it's okay for a while, but the further out you get, the tougher the water gets. It's pretty treacherous. We've tried it a few times and ended up coming back, so do that at your own risk. We gave the Oceanside Harbor some pretty decent ratings. There's a lot of places to park, a lot of variety. You'll love the boats, the sea lions, and just the sea life.
We gave it a final rating of an 8.33 out of 10. You'll love Oceanside. It's one of our favorites. It's very sentimental to us.
Okay, that's Oceanside, California Harbor.
Just north of San Diego. We had a great time. We saw sea lions. We wished upon a boat and saw a lot of fun things.
It was a good time.
It started to rain, so we're headed out. Be sure to like and subscribe.
And until next time, keep paddling, everyone.